Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get started with a career in information technology. So let's go ahead and take a look. Hi, I'm Eric Frick, founder of Destined Learning. So why get started with an information technology career now? Now is the perfect time to get started. The job market is really hot right now. There are tons of unfilled jobs and salaries are at an all-time high. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the statistics. So what are the opportunities? The average salary of a software developer is well over $90,000 a year. The number of IT jobs in 2022 is almost 1 million. That's 1 million unfilled jobs out there. So there's tons of opportunity. And the cloud computing market is growing at 16% annually. So there's just tons of opportunity in the IT businesses. So if you're thinking about getting started, it couldn't be a better time to get started than right now. So how do you get started? Well, the very first thing is to learn about the IT market and the positions that are available, whether you want to be a cloud engineer, a DevOps engineer, a programmer, an IT technician. There are a lot of different jobs out there, so learn about the market and what you might be interested in. Once you decide upon that position, then go out and get some training. It's no longer like it used to be where you have to go out and get a 4-year degree and spend a couple $100,000 on tuition. You can get training for very inexpensive and get some entry-level certifications. And then once you get some of those entry-level certifications, after you do your training, go ahead and pass those certifications and then start working on those credentials to get your first job. So it's not the process that it used to be where you have to invest tons of money. You do have to invest some money and some time, but it's very possible to get a very high-paying job without a college degree in the IT business right now. Things have changed a lot over the last 10 years. So if you're interested in learning more, I've put together an information technology career guide that you can download for free. The link is here on the slide. I'll also put it into the description. So I put some information in here about all different types of technology jobs that are out there, some of the top certifications in both cloud and non-cloud. A lot of information to really get you started and help you hone in on what you want to do with your career. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, you can check out my classes on my website at destinedlearning.com. Thanks again. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.